Tea tree oil for psoriasis. Tea tree oil is a special type of essential oil from the leaves of the Melaleuca alternifolia plant. The word tea tree comes from the leaves in herbal teas by Australian Aboriginal people, who referred to the plant as tea tree because it resembled common tea herbs. Tea tree essential oil is one of the most popular essential oils for psoriasis, and there have been many studies to try and determine what effect it has on the skin condition. What is psoriasis? Psoriasis is a common skin disease that occurs when the immune system sends out faulty signals that cause skin cells to grow rapidly and form hard, raised lesions. If you have psoriasis, you could have anywhere from a few small patches to large areas of thick, hardened skin. Psoriasis can be frustrating, especially since there is no known cure. But various treatments can help alleviate the condition. One of these is tea tree oil, which has been used for thousands of years to treat various skin ailments. Tea tree oil for psoriasis. You can use tea tree oil for psoriasis to treat the lesions that develop from the immune system sending out faulty signals to skin cells. How do you use tea tree oil for psoriasis? When used as a treatment, you should have your doctor recommend the correct dose of tea tree oil for your skin condition. You should apply a drop or two of tea tree oil once or twice a day directly to the affected areas. You can either apply the oil on your skin or onto a washcloth or two, put them on your skin, and leave for several minutes before rinsing off. One study, published in 2016, showed that using tea tree oil for psoriasis can help reduce the size of the lesions and improve signs of psoriasis. The treatment also reduced the itching associated with the condition. The test subjects experienced a decrease in the severity of their psoriasis after using tea tree oil for about 26 weeks. What is the recommended concentration? When looking at studies involving tea tree oil for psoriasis, the average amount of tea tree oil used was 30 mg per centimeter. This was applied to the skin or bath water and left on for 20 minutes before being washed off. The test subjects in these studies experienced positive effects from using tea tree oil for psoriasis. Where to buy tea tree oil? Tea tree oil is easy to buy online and in many health stores. We will have some links to offers in the description. You should ensure that the oil you are using is pure, although testing has shown that tea tree essential oil is not adulterated very often. In most cases, people who use tea tree oil for psoriasis will have success with the treatment. It does not work for everyone, but it can help alleviate some of the symptoms of psoriasis and reduce its severity. How do you use tea tree oil? You can use tea tree oil in a few different ways. You can mix it with a carrier oil like almond or coconut oil and apply it to your skin for starters. You should test for allergies before applying the mixture directly to your skin, but this is one good way to apply tea tree oil without having to dilute it. You can use tea tree oils as a part of your shampoo or moisturizer to treat psoriasis from the inside out. What are the side effects of tea tree oil? The main side effect of using tea tree oil for psoriasis is that it can irritate the skin. You should only use tea tree oil for psoriasis on small areas of the body that you are not likely to have large amounts of skin contact, and you should test for allergies before using tea tree oil as a treatment. Other side effects include dry, flaky skin and symptoms of a mild fever such as dizziness or vomiting. How to apply tea tree oil to the scalp? You can use tea tree oil for psoriasis to treat the scalp as well. The oil should be mixed with a carrier oil and applied to the scalp when soaking a cloth in hot water. It would be best if you left this on until it cools, rinse it out and let your hair air dry. These are some of the best ways to use tea tree oil for psoriasis, but there are many more options than you can try if this one does not work properly for you. How to apply tea tree oil in the shower? You can use the same method of application as you would for the scalp. First, take a cloth and soak it in hot water. Then apply your tea tree oil to the cloth and massage it into your skin. Let this sit for about 20 minutes or until cool, rinse it off, and then dry off with a towel. This is a great way to use tea tree oil on psoriasis without having to waste any of your precious supplies. How to apply tea tree oil to the face? You can use tea tree oil to treat psoriasis on the face as well. You should mix this oil with a carrier oil to make it less harsh on the skin, and you should test for allergic reactions. Use a cotton ball or pad to apply the oil to your face and let it sit for about 20 minutes before rinsing off with cool water. How to make a tea tree oil bath? You can add tea tree oil to your bath water to help treat psoriasis as well. Add a few drops of the oil to your bath water, and you can even add it to your shampoo or moisturizer to get the most out of your treatment. You can also add essential oils like lavender or rosemary for a relaxing scent and soothing effects.